Hey guys, how's it going? So, I wasn't planning to make a video doing this. If it does turn out, it's going to be very short. But, as you can see by the video lapse, that I'm going to insert right now. You can see that we cleared off the Mazda, finally. So it's been 6 months since it's ran, started, moved, whatever, so we're going to start and make sure it even runs. I was smart enough to put the battery inside during the winter so it wouldn't freeze, because I learned that the hard way, and that's how you spend a lot of money. Anyways, so we are going to put the battery in, start the car, and see if it works. Alright, so you can see, got it all uncovered. I know my gloves aren't, just weird. I'm just plugging the block heater now so it warms up. Battery is going in there. I gotta open it up and hopefully it starts. So let's get on with it. Trying to do this one-handed. Not the smartest thing I've ever done. Not the dumbest either. Battery goes there. Where's my block heater cord? What are you doing down there? Is this you? Where is you? Give me you. No, that's not it. Oh, here we go. Alright, let me plug you in there. Alright, so, block plugged in. It's been plugged in a while now, should be good to go. Got battery hooked up. Our mint paint job. So, do I got the keys? Or are they in my jacket? I grab the keys and we'll see if she starts. Alright. Keys into the ignition. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's get the old booster pack out.
A few moments later.
Alright, let's try this again. The battery's had more than enough time to charge now. Let's see. Key in. Oh, sounds good. Turn you off. A little bit of gas. Ooh. Ooh. It works. Ooh, she's smoky. But it runs. Alright, so we may have developed a bit of a problem. Should probably turn the car off. So one of those times where you want to work smarter, not harder? Now that we got the car out, we got to clear our parking spot. I don't want to shovel because it's a lot of work. So, Canadian's favorite tool is, we'll turn that around, that's really close, the snowblower. Ha ha ha. And guarantee you I can start it with one pull, just one. Alright? And I promise I didn't start this before. Choke is on. You pump it like a million times. Key is on. And the trick, you turn down your throttle. Ready? One pull. Whee! Woohoo! Getting mint. Right, so you let it warm up, turn up the throttle. Oh yeah!